Hey everyone, so welcome to this tutorial on how to generate the SQL queries from the user stories. So we have lot of scenarios to generate the SQL queries, right? So based on that scenario, so we can able to create using some of the online free tools actually. So in that video today we can talk about that, right? So previously we discussed on that using OpenAI with the Chat GPT to generate the SQL queries, obviously, right? So Google, so in that you can type text to SQL. So there is a website called text to SQL.ai. So generate the SQL queries with the AI for free, right? So in that I can open that. You can generate the SQL queries from the text actually. So generate the SQL query with AI in seconds and improve your skill and save the time. So if you see that example, find all users who live in California have over the 1,000 credits, right? So in that it will be generating like that. So this is how it will be works. So for example, if you put a calculate the sum of salaries from the last year, so it will be automatically generated that query based on that English actually. You can able to convert that SQL query to English to SQL, right? So I can choose translate to SQL. So in that part, so generate your next one here. So if I open that in the first time, it will be asking that user account. So you can log in from your Google account or Twitter account, obviously. So in that part, I don't have any specific scenario to generate a skill query. So I just wanted to show how it is works. So in that, find all users who live in California have 1,000 credits. So it will be generating that select star from users where state CA and credits about 1,000. So based on that, it will be create. And if I click random, show the which product generated the most revenue. So in that part, so it will be taking the product id quantity price as revenue. So it will be giving that overall idea, so what you had to do like that. So it will give the playground as well, so you can add your database schema. And yeah, obviously your database schema, so if you have a different table structures, so you can put it your schema over there. So after that you can choose that which database you belongs to, Postgres or MySQL, Maria, Snowflake, like that. So after that you can put it your playground. After that which product generated the most revenue, like that. So it will be creating the SQL queries using that actually. So in that part there is lot table structures and examples they given, so you can just use it based on that actually. And there is another thing. uh, so this is a generate SQL query, and the another part, if you have a SQL query you need to understand that flow. So that you can use it, that just copy paste your SQL queries and you can just explain SQL. So it will be written that find all users who live in California credits, like that. So if I click randomly, and that each of the random it will be set discount. See if in that part, we have a SQL query with complex SQL query with update statement, and it will be generating that this is the that SQL query will works actually based on that. And also playground you can enable from the generate option. And yeah, and playground you can generate. And so this also powered by the OpenAI. So they in the website, in the backend they will call that OpenAI model, like DaVinci or text DaVinci, like that. So once you put out that query or your question, so it will be go to that model and it will be processing it, and it will be written back to that actually. Makes sense, right? So this is how I want to share with you, because it's really crazy thing actually. So in previously we had to do some R&D, and we need to some learn some techniques to regarding that, how to write a SQL query more efficiently, like that, right? But nowadays, in a single click you can get any kind of SQL queries, you can easily to achieve that, right? So this is what I try to share with you. So that's it. So thanks for watching our video. If you really like that video, keep share it to your friends and colleagues, and keep subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and comment and share. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.